how to make or how to start a poll on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can start or make a poll on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to make or create a poll on Snapchat is pretty simple. Simply open up your Snapchat first, and now you want to create a quick snap. So you can just create a quick snap. If you want it nothing, you can just set it dark and you can create a snap, right? So I've just created a snap here. Once you have created a snap, at the left hand side, towards the left hand side, now it's completely white, so let me take it again. So towards the right, you can see, you'll find these icons. You can see text icon at the top right. Below it, you can see the pencil icon, and below it, you can see the little square icon, the paper icon, which is the stickers icon. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, at the top you can see mentions, sounds, question, poll. So you want to tap on poll in order to create a poll, and now you can ask a question. So you can ask the question, and now you can send this poll. This is how you can create a poll on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.